we are going to look at factorizing using a couple of methods, all right? Actually, this first video will just be one method. And we're going to use this process here. So it's a 4-step sort of strategy to work out which factorizing method you're going to use. But let's just look at it. So 25x squared, take 10x plus 1. So going through the checklist, you first check at step 1, is there a common factor amongst all terms? Is there a common factor between 25, 10, and 1? No, it's just 1. So that's not good enough. So we've ticked off that one. What about, are there square numbers at the start and the end? Square numbers at the start and the end. Well, 1 is actually a square number. So we do have square numbers here. So we can use a strategy for that. You can rewrite 1 as 1 squared, right? I don't know if that makes any sense, but let's keep going. 25 is a squared number, 1 is a square number. So we are going to use our patterns, and I'm going to write them down the bottom. So we're going to use a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. Because it's of that form, right? It's 3 terms. This is 3 terms, this is 3 terms. And we know that this factorizes to a plus or minus b squared. Don't get it confused with this one, a plus b, a take b, which in expanded form is a squared take b squared. They're different things, so make sure that clicks. So this is the one we're going to use. And we're just going to try and get it into factorized form. So the first thing is write it as a square number with a square base, okay? So I can write this as, let's just write it 5 squared x squared. And we're going to just ignore that middle number for now, plus 1 squared. And then I can just do that one step further where I put it in brackets, plus 1 squared. And now we are going to factorize, okay? By lining it up with a squared take 2ab plus b squared. Let's line it up. A squared take 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, can you see what a and b are? Where's my highlighter? Can you see that a is x squared? A is 5x. And that b is 1. So I'm just going to write that. A equals 5x, b equals 1. And we've got our nice pattern over here. If a is 5x and b is 1, let's use this. So 5x take 1 goes in the brackets. I'm just going to, over here on the right, just a reminder, just to simplify it a little bit, a squared take 2ab plus b squared. So that is what that factorizes to. It's a bit different, isn't it? So I hope that makes sense. Yeah, you just want to really memorize your patterns. Okay, if there's 3 terms, it's going to factorize to this. If there's 2 terms and there's squares at the start and end, it's going to factorize to that.